rocky surfaces just like this to lick out on clay or chalk. This will help them in the digestion of any unripe fruits or palm nuts that they have eaten. Now looks like they are still enjoying their reward right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be their next stop. In the meantime, we have more birds joining us on stage. Now birds often gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. In fact, we are going to have a little competition to see who is better at gathering food, and they need supporters. So people on my right, you are going to spot Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. Just clap your hands and shout at his name, Zonda, Zonda, Zonda. Very good. Now people on my left, you are going to support Barry, our green-winged macaw. Just clap your hands, but this time shout at his name, Barry, Barry, Barry. Very good. Now birds to the table. So what I have with me is a hollow tree trunk, and we are going to have 4 fruits on each side of the table. Now supporters, remember to cheer for your birds. Okay, now supporters ready, birds ready, and go! Zonda. Diana, what happened to Barry? It's just a warm-up, excuses, right? Okay, so what do you want? One more game, shall we have one more game? Yeah. One more game it is, alright? Because everyone deserves a second chance. But this time, Barry supporters, I need you to cheer louder, okay? Because the louder you cheer, the faster Barry might go. Okay, now supporters ready, birds ready, and go! Have proven to be good at collecting fruit. So let's give them a big hand. In the bird park, we give our birds fun activities to do, similar to what they do in the wild, and this is called enrichment. In the wild, birds forage for seeds and nuts, and right up there we have our trainer Adila, and she's holding onto an enrichment device. It is a rope tied into knots, and inside those knots, we have hidden treats for the birds to find. Now the birds will be flying very close to you, so please do not reach out and try to touch the bird. Now looks like our volunteer is ready. Everyone, look at that nest box on stage. Oh, I see all them. Now those are sun hornets, and they can be found in South America. They usually fly in huge flocks. Alright, now for those of you who are not volunteering, please do not touch the monkey face. Alright, you do not want the birds to fly off. Please do not touch the birds. Alright? Alright, so they usually fly in huge flocks. So you can imagine how colorful but noisy they can be. Oh, and it's time for them to head back home. And home is that way, guys. Alright, for the next segment, we are going to need 2 more volunteers. So get the attention of our trainers. We have Adila and Azhar. Alright, so just get their attention. So every morning, the male and female toucans leave the nest to find food to feed their young. In a very short while, we will have our toucans joining us. Just a gentle reminder, if you are taking pictures or videos, or if you are not the volunteer, please sit down. This is for your own safety and the safety of our birds. Moving on, some final instructions. Now looks like our volunteer is in position. Everyone, look at that hut. Oh, I see one of them. How about the other? Oh, there they are. Now those are toucans. And toucans, they are the largest in the toucan family, and they can be found in South America. They are easily recognizable by close enough to catch it. Alright, let's wait for other. Alright, now, get the attention of the bird. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, up it goes. Oh, perfect, yes, wow. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, get the attention of the bird. Okay, 1, 2, 3, up it goes. Wow, another perfect, yes, well done. Ooh. So the number of toucans in the wild are declining due to poaching and deforestation. So if you can, please do your part for your local conservation efforts. Hey, want to join me? Here they are. Now this is actually Mrs. Axel and this is Mr. Axel, husband and wife team. They are very loyal to one another and they are heading home together. So I shall place them on the stump right here. So when one goes, the other one will follow. Mrs. Axel, you lead the way? You want to lead the way? No? I think they need some louder round of applause. There they go, our total toucans. So what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. And they do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-knit Amazon is famous for its ability to copy human sounds. And we have one such bird with us today. So get your cameras and video cameras ready. And let's start with something simple. Would you like to say hello? Hello. A nice and sweet hello. Okay, tell us, what's your name? Amigo. You hear that? His name is Amigo. Let's try that one more time. What's your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo, what would you like to ask all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are you feeling today? Good? Yeah? Now, Amigo here, he is a really smart bird. He can count from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Did he skip a number? Amigo, you skip a number. Can we count that one more time? Alright, you must count the 5, okay? Let's count from 1 to 10 in English. Amigo? No, that's Chinese. That's for later. You're supposed to keep it a secret. Alright, let's count together. Okay, let me count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Come on, let's count in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a perfect 10. Wow, good job, Amigo. Alright, and as you have heard already, he can also count in another language. He can count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. Different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song is a local children's song titled Kerun Lai, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's sing in Mandarin. Kerun Lai, Han Pa Pa, Pa Pa Good Lai, Ya Good Kerun Lai, Ya Lai. There you go, Kerun Lai. By Amigo. Now the next song originates from Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, lihat Nuna sayang, sayang. Hey, wow, a sweet song there. Okay, now the last song is an English song, but before that, anyone celebrating your birthday? Raise your hands. Anyone? This section? No one? One? Alright, one. How about the middle section? 2, 3?
Don't move, don't
okay,
move, don't
3
move.
of you? 4? Anyone? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how about the last section? 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15. Okay, for the 15 of you, Amigo is going to sing a song for you. Let's go, Amigo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 15 of you, and thank you for celebrating your birthday right here in Jurong Bird Park. Now it's time for Amigo to hear that. You can wave and say bye-bye to Amigo. Action!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
There you go. Thank you, Amigo, our yellow-necked Amazon. Now, parents like Amigo, they require a lot of time and commitment. They are also very noisy and can even outlive us. So do bear that in mind before you go home and get yourself a pet parrot. Now, the next two birds coming up will show us the nesting behaviors of hornbills. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Vicky, our great white hornbill. Here she comes. Wow, good afternoon, Vicky. Now, hornbills, they can be found in two continents, Asia and Africa. So, in the wild, when hornbills want to nest, they look for cavities in trees. So, take a look over there, and you will see a nest box. And that nest box is similar to the nest boxes we give our hornbills in Jurong Bird Park. Now I'll be going up the aisle here, so for those of you who are around me, please remain seated, do not reach out and try to touch the bed. Right? Let's go, Vicky. Alright, now I need everyone to sit down. Remain seated. Okay. Right now, Vicky, you want to check out your nest box. Off she goes. Vicky, the entrance is on your right. You want to hop to your right? Okay, what she's doing is she's inspecting the nest box. And only if she likes it, she will hop right in. In she goes. Once inside, she will seal the nest using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. Alright, Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. Oh, that was fast. Vicky, where are you? There she is. Now everyone look up there and let's welcome Sunny, another great white hornbill, Jurong Bird Park animal icon. So when the female is in the nest, she will be inside for 3 to 4 months, and during this time, the male hornbill will have to look for food to feed the entire family. And here in Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding oriental white hornbills using nest boxes just like this. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have also successfully released hornbills into nature reserves as well as right here in Jurong Bird Park. So after the show, keep your eyes open as you might just spot free flying hornbills. Right, so Aslan is going to be on stage to call Sunny down to go home. Right, but he's still enjoying his food right up there. It's okay, let's give him some time. Alright, everyone watch right there. Let's see, here he comes. Wow. Okay. What happened there? It's okay, Aslan repositions himself. There you go, our hornbills, everyone. Nice music. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you want to be a volunteer, just raise your hand and our trainers will pick you. On my left, we have Adila. In the middle, we have Diana. And on my right, we have Noor. Now look at the bird's strong wings as they fly past you. This allows them to fly through dense vegetation. This allows them to fly through dense vegetation of the rainforest of South America. Unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at the rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. We can help this harmful cause by using less of everything. Even better if we can reuse our things by second-hand or recycled products. This will reduce the need for making new products and clearing more of our habitat. Right now, for those of you who are not volunteering, once again, please remain seated. The gentleman right there, hi sir, the one in the orange shirt. Maybe someone can give him a tap. Yeah, that's right. So is it okay if you take a seat? sharp eyesight. This allows them to be very maneuverable in flight. Next, the birds will be flying from two different ends of the stage and try to meet in that center hook at the same time. So our center volunteer needs to keep the hooks straight and steady. Alright, let's give some time for our volunteer to get instructions. Okay, ma'am, I need you to straighten your arm. That's right. Some final adjustments. Okay, now looks like our volunteers are ready. Patina ready. Ready, go. And they did it. Thank you very much. Durga and Patina, thank you. Now finally, Vega is going to try out something more challenging. So everyone, take a look at Diana. Diana, why do you have a yellow bag? There's something inside. Can you show us? Wow! Now that's a really small poop. Now of course, they have streamlined bodies which allows them to fly through dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers and predators. Now everyone, Vega needs to focus. Alright, everyone's ready and lift off. And we did it! Thank you very much, Vega, our smallest macaw. Now he has done a great job this time for Vega came back home. Home is back to Durga. Now a parrot's feet can be powerful in breaking hard nuts. One very quiet, they can be gentle too. So right now I have a coupon with me. Who wants this coupon? Raise your hands! Wow, so many hands! I'll pick the young man. Yes, you, the one with the striped shirt. Yes, you. You the one? Yes, you. Stand up. Yes, you. I need you to just go up the stairs. Just walk up and meet my friend Adila. Hey, young man, are you afraid of birds? Scared of birds? You're scared of birds? You're scared of birds? No, alright, I like that. I need you to just stretch out your arm. Stretch out your arm, that's right. Open up your palm. Whatever happens, do not move, okay? Because a bird will be delivering this coupon to you. So with that, let's welcome Sassy, our silver-crested cockatoo. Is Sassy coming? No? Where's Sassy? I think she's putting on some makeup. Sassy, are you here? Oh, hi, Sassy. Hi. Can you just help me deliver this coupon to our volunteer right there? Huh? That's right, Sassy. Put down the coupon. Good job, Sassy. And you fly down back to me. Right, young man, can you check that coupon? Can you check? Is it still in one piece? Alright, and if yes, you can exchange it for a free cold drink at the Birds of Playground. Thank you. Alright, then I have one more volunteer. Let's get someone from this side. Okay, wait. Hold on. This time, I need someone who can show me money. Once I say money, most of the hands go down. Oh, the gentleman right there. Yes, you, sir. I need you to stand at the staircase. That's right. Okay, how much is that? Just one note. $2, okay. You want to keep the other money? You want to use $10? Okay, $10. Alright, I need you to fold it into half. Fold it one more time. You want to keep your phone first or pass it to someone to get your pictures taken? Oh no, my assistant cannot hold for you. Alright, fold the money into half. Fold it one more time. One more time. Put it in between your thumb and index finger. Money pointing upwards. Stretch out your arm. That's right. Okay. Don't move, right? Sassy, here's money. What do you do when you see money? Okay, the young man.